In ancient times, digging a tunnel through solid rock wasn't just impressive, it was genius engineering. To quickly release water from a massive dam, ancient engineers carved tunnels straight through hillsides. But how do you dig from both ends and still meet perfectly in the middle, without GPS or satellites? Here's how they did it. First, they bent the tunnel entrance to let a beam of sunlight shine through. When the sun lined up perfectly with the center axis, they knew the direction was dead straight. Then came the slope. To keep water flowing naturally by gravity, the tunnel had to tilt at just the right angle. So they used a simple water-filled tube. Marking the levels at both ends, they could perfectly measure slope. No laser levels needed. Inside the tunnel, they lined the ground with hydraulic mortar and built an arched ceiling with wooden support frames. But what about blockages? They thought of that too, placing circular sediment basins along the tunnel path. As water flowed, debris settled in the basins, keeping the channel clean. Now imagine tunneling through mountains. Every 30 meters, they dug vertical shafts, called access wells, from the top down. Dozens of teams worked in parallel, speeding up excavation by years. To align perfectly, they used plumb lines, gravity doing the math. In valleys and gorges, the tunnels transitioned to stone aqueduct bridges. They carved hollow channels from interlocking stones, mounted on arches made from blocks cut with millimeter precision. And when the gorges got really deep, they went bold, building multi-tiered arched bridges stacked up to 16 stories tall. Over 10,000 stones, some weighing over 6 tons, were locked in place without a single drop of cement. These megastructures stood for centuries, enduring hurricanes, floods, and time itself. All of it, planned, executed, and built. By hand. Ancient engineering wasn't just smart, it was brilliant.